y'all know, I don't care if you know this is a wig. Listen, I just got a wig in and I was like, let's talk about it because I've been waiting for this sensational wig. It's a Dashly unit. You ever purchase something and you just hope that it's going to turn out to be exactly what you wanted? This is the Dashly unit balayage copper. I learned that balayage just means that they do a little teasing to keep some of your rooted hair at the top. So when they put the color in, it doesn't grow out looking like you need a touch up. It gives you a more natural colored look. I was like, okay, balayage. Okay. And you can curl this between 350 and 400 degrees, which is wonderful. It's a sensational Dashly 21 unit. I don't even know what it means, darling, but it's balayage copper. And I said, please, may I? And it was $25 because sometimes when you're looking for a wig, the cost does mean something. That's for me. That's for me, y'all. I told y'all I was a frugal girly. I was a frugal girly. Oh, and this time I chose one that came with a bang. She bang. She bang. Yep, baby, she moves. She moves. I'm going to get my daughter-in-law to style this because I wanted something with like a little bit of a, yeah. Did you see how full this is? How much curl this has? That's usually more hair than I want. Like, I can see something like here. And then her just cleaning up these bangs a little bit so we can have a little bit of fun with that. Because I don't want to pretend like I know what I'm doing. But the reason why I like these wigs, do you see how the hairline still gives that could be yours? I love when the wind blows and you still got to question it, right? Like it gives you, and I love the fact that I don't have to worry about having a hairline. Like I'm not worried about that. That's so cute. This is cut so nicely. I know I went quiet on y'all, but one, I love that it is a synthetic wig that I can curl. Number one. And when I say I mean my daughter-in-law because I will not be messing this up. Number two, you can see how it's long now, but you can definitely eventually get to a place where you see how you can still make this wig. You can cut it so many different places and still have such a wonderful look about it with the cut and color. And that was something that I was looking for. We know it's a wig. It's still giving bitch. Somebody cloudy day. Anyway. Sensational. Where have you been all my life? Anyway,